guys, welcome back to Kuma Style Reviews. We got another Iron Factory product in. This is their EX-26H Heavy Metal. This is the G2 version of their side swipe. So you see I have the three direct side swipe repaints right here. Red Alert, G2 side swipe, regular side swipe. As well as some other, these are Decepticons in the back, like their 6-shot, their or Autobot Jetfire, as well as their Bruticus, just so you can get some size variation there too. See how it scales amongst others in their line. This one is 3.5 inches. Pretty standard for the line. They're between 3.5 and 4 inches on average. So yeah, heavy metal. Let's go ahead and get into reviewing this guy. Now for the figure itself, again, measures to about 3.5 inches. In terms of accessories, it comes with 2 blasters, similar in size but different molds, a giant sword. Well, giant for him. And then a backpack to holster the sword and the weapons on. We'll get those out of the way, give you guys a roundabout. It is a direct repaint. It's got retooling on the wheels, but that's it of their side swipe. The side swipe actually came in the Racing Bros 2-pack. It was Bolt Runner and Blaze Dash. I forget which one he is. I think he's Bolt Runner. Now the face on this one is different. I want to call it classic, but the look is synonymous, that kind of scowl that G2 side swipe figures always seem to have. Because he is mean, he's heavy metal, that's what he does. Now, not going to go too crazy into the articulation and stuff like that. Between Bolt Runner itself and what seems like 50 retools of it and things like that, we've went over that a lot, so let's just get into playing with this toy. The only thing he doesn't have, he has ab crunch, he doesn't have wrist swivel. Ankle tilt, you know, the basics. Now, you want the long side up, and this just pegs into 2 tabs right here, the backpack, boom, boom. And from there, slide in the sword. Okay, and it kind of clicks into place too, which is awesome. And it also has room for the guns, if you want those. And it balances fine. I'm just holding it so it doesn't push when I'm pushing the weapons in and things like that. So let's take a look at the guns. And just like with Dub A, their Tarn will go ahead and do the transformation in this too. At this point, I feel like I'm kind of the side swipe whisperer. I've done this transformation so many times I could probably do it blindfolded. And I love that this mold has such good ankle tilt too. Alright, get it tilted. And of course, focusing the camera always helps. There are the guns. Get some sword action there. Alright, and when you're playing with this guy, I know we're all adults here, but watch out for the spikes. They're actually pointy and they're sharp. Alright, I'm going to have to do this picture for the gallery. That's a mean-ass pose right there. Alright. Let's get this guy transformed. See if we can't do it with the backpack on. I don't believe it has to be taken off, but we'll see. If we have to, we have to. So, this front part actually comes out some. To get that around the head. Put that front part of the hood back. Boom. Okay. The waist, I believe, turns around. And that just fell off, so we'll keep it off. All you have to do, strain the arms. Get them nice and flush. The hands, tilt inside. Tilt inside. Okay. Alright. Bringing these up so that this part pegs in right there. Making sure that pegs in. And honestly, I'm taking my time a little bit on this because those really are sharp. They're kind of poking me while I'm doing this right now. It's crazy. Okay. And I am having a little something with the waist here. Which I just don't get. There we go. Alright. Now we can go ahead and do that. Now with the feet, open those, tilt it out, these feet, out, feet in, and then you just flip it around. Flip it around, flip it around, and these peg in right here. Boom, boom. Peg that in. Flip it around, peg it in. Two. And then just clip those two pieces again. 1, 2. Make sure everything's pegged. Boom, boom. Alright. So there he is. This thing is pretty. I love the metallic windows. A lot. Actually zoom in on that a little bit. Now this is already released. It released, was it December? Late December? Places like the Chosen Prime, TF Source, they all have it. Now getting this guy on the ground, it does have rolling wheels, but with those spikes and stuff like that, I really wouldn't recommend it. Those are really pretty. I don't know if they're prone to breakage or anything like that, but it's not something I'd risk. I'm just making sure everything's, you know, good and tight and that I transformed it right. It looks like it, so yeah. There we go. But now pegging on this backpack here. You can reverse it so it doesn't take off the whole front with the handle sticking out farther that way and whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Give you guys a higher view. And again, this has been Iron Factory's EX-26H Heavy Metal. It's their G2 Sideswipe. Just like the other Sideswipe mode and all the retools and stuff like that from it. Really sweet piece, one of Iron Factory's best, and this deco kicks ass. The spikes on the wheel, awesome. The fact that the wheels even roll with the spikes and stuff like that, it's just cool stuff. This is really neat, more of a novelty piece being G2 and stuff like that, but they knocked it out of the park again because that's what Iron Factory does. Anyway, make sure to check out the full breakdown article and gallery on kumastyle.com. Link will be in the description, as well as pinned comments and stuff like that. I try to make it available for you guys, and you know, with all of my videos, man, same thing. Like, share, subscribe, leave me your feedback and stuff like that. What do you guys think of this stuff? Is Iron Factory a company that you buy? Is it stuff that you want to see me review more of? You know, let me know. I love talking to you guys. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you next review.